hand mixers, stand mixers free you to do other tasks while they do the work. If you're looking for the best stand mixer for baking, you might consider checking out this best rated stand mixer for baking. Now, let's see the features of this great product.
Today I'm going to show you our 5.5 quart Cuisinart stand mixer. It has fabulous features. Let's start at the top. First, it has 3 power ports. A high-speed power port here, which holds our blender and food processor attachment that you can get separately. The medium-speed power port is for our citrus juicer attachment. And then in the very front, you can mount a meat grinder attachment and also a pasta maker. So that's really great. It's beautiful, beautifully constructed. It has a high lift feature for the mixing head, and this allows you to get really inside here so that you get lots of great access to your mixing bowl. The stainless steel bowl is beautifully shaped and designed, so you get great mixing all the way down into the bottom. It just mounts by putting it on and twisting it. And this is our flat mixing paddle. You basically put it on and take it off by turning. It's really easy to engage. We also have our splash guard. The thing I like about this splash guard is it seals the entire bowl all the way around the edge, so that if you have anything in here like flour or sugar or anything wet, it doesn't splash out. Also has a really large hole here, pour spout, which actually you can add your ingredients into while the mixer is running. It has 12 variable speeds, including a slow start. So even if you put it on speed 12 to start, it gradually works up to speed 12. So you get really great mixing, but you don't get any spatters or splatters. It also has a 15-minute countdown feature. That's really great if you have to mix something for a long period of time. All you have to do is hold down the button to engage the countdown timer. And like I said, it works for 15 minutes. All you do is tap it to set the time that you want, turn the machine on, and what it'll do, it'll start counting for you. And so if you have to mix for, say, like 4 minutes, basically what will happen is it will shut off automatically. It'll beep 5 times to let you know your mixing's done. So going on from there, like I said, we have 12 variable speeds, so you can start on 1 while the machine's running, and you can go all the way up to 12 very, very easily. It has a great fold feature. So if you're going to be doing really delicate things like whipping a cream and then incorporating something into it, use the fold feature. It runs on the slowest speed available, and what it will do is very delicately mix by turning around about 1.5 times and then stopping automatically. So you can use that to incorporate ingredients together when it's something very delicate. The other thing is you also get a great chef's whisk, which is all stainless steel tines. It's a beautiful balloon shape. You also get a dough hook, and also the flat mixing paddle, which we're going to use today to make some frosting. The great thing about the dough hook and the flat mixing paddle is it has a special coating on here so that if you're doing anything really sticky, it's a lot easier to clean this and get the ingredients off. Additionally, all the removable parts are dishwasher safe. So I just want to show you how simple and easy it is to make a homemade frosting in just minutes. So what we're going to do is put in our cream cheese, and this cream cheese was softened to room temperature. So we're going to put the cream cheese in using our spatula that comes with your stand mixer. What we're going to do is put down the mixing head with the flat paddle on, and we're going to put it on speed 3 and mix until it's really smooth. Now what we're going to do is we're going to add the butter. And we're going to mix that again until it's really smooth and incorporated with the cream cheese. Now what we're going to do is we're going to stop the machine, and we're going to add some pre-sifted powdered sugar. And again, we're going to mix that until it's very incorporated. Now on this I'm going to do on a slower speed. Now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to add a little bit of vanilla just to give it a little extra flavor. And then I'm going to mix it until it's totally incorporated. Let's check on our frosting. Look how nice and smooth that is. Let me take this off so I can show it to you. This frosting is really great to use for anything like a cake, or what I'm going to do is use it for cupcakes today. So enjoy your Cuisinart stand mixer.
And these are editor rating for this product.